Alright, so for today's lesson we're going to take a look at the solo to What I Got. This is a great solo for beginner guitar players. It's not very challenging. This is also kind of cool because we get to talk a little bit about major pentatonic and minor pentatonic and sort of blending the two of them in a nice simple way. I've got my Taylor tuned up in just standard tuning, so that's E, A, D, G, B, and E, so you should do the same in order to play along. So the two scales that we're going to be using are D minor pentatonic and D major pentatonic, and then we're going to do sort of a blend of the two of them. So if you're not familiar with a pentatonic scale, check out the beginner guitar lessons on our channel where I go through how to play a pentatonic scale, how to transpose it to new keys, and how to play all 5 of the boxes. For this solo, we really only need box number 1, with just a little bit of shifting around. So first, we're going to do a small slide into the 12th fret on your 5th string, and then play 10-12 on your 4th. Now we're going to play 10th fret on the 3rd string, and I like to give this note a little bit of vibrato, and then play 12 on the 4th, 10, pick 10 again and do a hammer onto 12. So that was... So far all those notes are from our D minor pentatonic box. Right in there, we're just sort of hovering around the 5th to 3rd strings. So far we were leaning real heavy into that note F on 10th fret on your 3rd string. And what this is doing is it's basically making the chord what we would call a sharp 9 chord. We don't need to worry about all the theory stuff, but it's basically major and minor at the same time is a good way of thinking of it. Or basically making it sound like that. Which is what blues music is all about. It's basically major and minor at the exact same time, and that gives us that sort of sound and vibe and attitude and energy. So what he's going to do now is we open with some single notes. Now we're going to change over to dyads or double stops or 2 notes at the same time. So they're going to be 12th and 11th fret on the 4th strings and 3rd, and then we're going 10 and 9, and then we're doing 9 and 7. So that was... These are a little trickier than they look when you go to do them for the first time. The trick here is to really arch your fingers up nice and high. You can just strum them with your pick, like that, or you can do the hybrid picking thing, so I'm picking down on my pick on the 4th string, plucking up with my middle finger on the 3rd. That way the notes sound at the exact same time. To end the solo, he's going to blend the 2 scales at the same time. So on the 3rd string, we're going to do a hammer on from 10 to 11. Then on to the 2nd, 10 to 12. Play 10 on the 1st. Back to 12 on the 2nd. Then a pull off from 12 to 10. 13, 12, 10, and now you're going to grab 10 on your, 12, sorry, on your 3rd string and try to bend this up a whole step. It's going to be a little tricky on acoustic, but you can get there up to that note. So nice and slow again. So thank you for checking out this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out all of our other videos we have on our channel. We have a ton of free guitar lessons, both intermediate to advanced. We also have many product reviews, and we have our original music available to stream for free. You can stop by our Bandcamp page as well in order to purchase some licks or to check out our original music and buy it over there. Take it easy. Bye.